Hi there. Welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. Whenever dessert is mentioned, the first word pops up in our mind is delicious. Sadly, another word coming along is unhealthy. Well, in this episode, I'm going to share a healthy and delicious dessert recipe with you. The sticky millet dumpling, or in Chinese, Huang粽子, the natural sweetness of Jujube plus the flavor of the bamboo leaves and the tender texture from the sticky millet make the dumpling quite enjoyable. In terms of the nutrition, I will need to ask you to Google each ingredient and find out yourself so we can focus on how to make the dumpling in this video. Ready? Let's go. First, let me introduce the glutinous millet or sticky millet. It looks like millet but with very different texture, nutrition, and taste. Soak 2 cups of the sticky millet plus 1 cup of quinoa for additional nutrition. Put in refrigerator and soak overnight. Second day, drain the grains. Get about 1 cup of dried jujube, cores removed. We're gonna need the food-safe twine, bamboo leaves. These are dried. For the amount of the grains, we're about to make 10 dumplings. Suggest taking out 12 or 14 leaves just in case some is broken. Gently push the leaves under water, fold as needed, boil and simmer for about 5 minutes to rehydrate. Now it's time to assemble and test your crafty skills. First, fold a leaf to form a cone shape. Make sure the tip is as small as possible to prevent the grains from leaking out. Add 2 teaspoons of grains, 2 pieces of jujube, another 2 teaspoons of grains, and 2 more pieces of jujube. Add 1 last layer of the grains. The grains should be about ½ centimeter lower than the edge of the bamboo leaf. To enclose the dumpling, slightly squeezing the edge of the cone inside and cover the opening with the rest of the leaf. Fold the top to form the shape. Use the twine to bundle it. A typical mistake beginners make is holding the cones too tightly. Cut. Now, if the leaf is broken, the solution is to use 2 leaves and follow the same steps. Making zongzi does require a bit technique. However, with patience and practice, you can do it, and the result is very rewarding. If you don't try, you will never know what you can do, right? Now the final word is if you use a whole jujube instead of the half ones, then just add enough jujube because we don't add any sugar in this dessert. So the sweetness are all coming from the jujube. We need almost a good balance between the jujube and the grains in order to make sure it's sweet enough and also sticky. Lastly, put the dumplings in a slow cooker, enough water to cover them. This is super important as well. Slow cook for 2 hours. Drain, cool them down a little bit. Time to enjoy. The millets become sticky, tender, but a bit chewy. The natural bamboo flavor enhances the jujube sweetness and the millet natural fragrance. So special, yet so delicious. If you store them in the refrigerator, just microwave for about 1 minute, then they will resume its tenderness. Well, I hope you enjoy the video. Please do like and share the recipe to support my small channel, and also remember to subscribe for more exciting and easy to follow authentic Chinese recipes. Thanks and see you around.